Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive deep into the wonders of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word of the day is alignment. That's alignment, a C1 level noun meaning the arrangement in a straight line or order. Let's explore this fascinating word and how it fits into our everyday conversations. Alignment refers to the act of arranging things in a proper or straight order, often to create harmony or precision. For example, when you're hanging pictures on a wall, you might step back to check the alignment of the frames to ensure they're perfectly straight. This word is also used metaphorically, like when your values are in alignment with your goals, meaning they are in agreement or harmony. Some synonyms for alignment include arrangement, order, and positioning. Here's an example. The books on the shelf were placed in perfect arrangement, showcasing the meticulous positioning of each item. Another could be, during the parade, the soldiers maintained a precise order, marching in impeccable alignment. On the other hand, the antonyms for alignment include disorder, misalignment, and chaos. For example, the disorder of the classroom after the art project was evident, with chairs and supplies scattered everywhere. Or, the machine malfunctioned due to a misalignment in its gears, causing a halt in production. In daily life, we encounter alignment in various situations. For instance, when you're at the optometrist, they may adjust the alignment of the lenses during an eye exam. Or, if you've ever worked on a team project, achieving alignment with your colleagues' ideas ensures everyone is on the same page. Think about a car. The wheels need to be in proper alignment to ensure it drives smoothly. Let me share a few examples using alignment. The graphic designers spent hours ensuring the text and images were in perfect alignment on the poster. Yoga can help improve the alignment of your body, promoting better posture and balance. The company's strategy was in alignment with its mission to prioritize sustainability. To sum it up, alignment is all about arranging things in a straight or orderly way, whether it's physical, metaphorical, or strategic. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using alignment and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring words and expanding your world.